Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here to talk about a very important topic, and this is directed at Samsung, and it's written by you. Everyone that's viewing this, I want you to write in the comment section and tell them how you feel about the backlash of the S21. I'm honestly going to act as a mediator and kind of go in between and really say my feelings on both sides and see if we can come to an understanding. Let's get started. So this is how this is going to work. Basically, if you want to let Samsung know you have negative feelings towards them taking away three very important features, the SD card, MST, and the charger in the box, let them know in the comment section down below. Please give this video a like thumbs up instead of the like thumbs down, and please share it with everyone you know, so the more people see it, the more Samsung will get a chance to see it and see your feedback, your response in the comment section. The reason why I believe I am one of the best people to really talk about this is because I do love Samsung products. I really do. But at the same time, I get nothing from them. So I did buy the S21 Ultra and the S21 for my mom. So overall, I bought them with my own money. Samsung has never sent me a product. So I am, I think, the perfect kind of mediator to really talk about this. Let's talk about it. And the first thing I want to let Samsung know is their customers are not Apple customers. See, Apple customers are going to take whatever Apple gives them. If you are an Apple customer, you are going to take this iPhone, the next iPhone, or the iPhone after that, but you're going to get an iPhone. And whatever changes they made, it's still the iPhone. So you're going to get it and you're going to take it. Samsung customers are not like that. Why? Because they have, one, a lot more options in terms of alternatives to Android, which are very similar, that still use Android operating system. And two, the reason why they're Samsung customers is because they do their research. They really go and scour the internet and see what the best of the best is, really do comparisons, really see all across the board which one is the best, and that has been Samsung a lot of the time. But when you take away things, Samsung customers will also notice it more, and they will not upgrade. And we've seen this before with the SD card, the first issue. The SD card, the S6 to the S7, you heard them loud and clear, Samsung. You heard them that they wanted the SD card back. And what did you have to do? You had to bring it back because people were upset and your sales went way down. Now, here's the thing. People are really upset about the SD card being taken away, and it's your own fault because you put 8K and 4K video prominently in the forefront of your marketing. And why would you do that if you didn't want us to record with that? The problem is that storage takes up a lot more. The average consumer will take up more than 128 gigs with the 4K and 8K video recording, but you can change that moving forward. So the most obvious thing to do out of the three recommendations is, one, you can, of course, bring back the SD card in the Note and moving forward. The second recommendation that I recommend, and it's not going to be for everyone, again, leave your comments in the comment section down below, but the new minimum without an SD card should be 256 gigs. That really is the kind of standard that we need for no SD card. Because if we really want to shoot 4K, if we want to keep this phone for 2 years or so, then we need that kind of storage to really last us that long. Look, I have a mother and I don't even know if she's going to fill up the 128 with photos and videos of her grandkid. This is a problem. And it's a problem that Samsung can benefit from too, because guess what? You're one of the top sellers of SD cards. So it really is cutting into your own money in the long run. Yes, it's a different division, but to be quite honest, you still benefit from it, because out of all the SD cards, I probably would recommend a Samsung memory card first. And again, there's a benefit to you for keeping the SD card. The other solution, which is honestly what I think you should do for the S21 so you won't face such a backlash and you won't lose out customers, is give them 100 gigs of free online storage. You have three possibilities with that. You have Samsung Cloud, you have Microsoft OneDrive, and you have Google Storage as well. So partner up with one of them or just give it for yourself and just give that at least for a year. This will give customers the time they need if they do want to hold off on, fine, we'll get this one, and then the next year's model will have an SD card again, and then all will be right. But this isn't going to go away, and trust me, there is so much backlash. Just look at the comment section and you'll see. The second thing is the charger. So no charger in the box, and again, Apple did this, I understand, and you saw, oh, okay, well, the new boxes do look a lot sleeker, so what if we do this too? The difference is that I will say Samsung as a company is lowering the price of their charger to $20 for a 25 watt charger, which is faster than Apple's 18. However, the problem with this is, again, that it's not coming in the box and people want them. What I think should have been done is that you should buy it as an option when you go through Samsung.com. So when you go through Samsung.com, it should be an option for a free charger that you can get, and that's it. But the very easy solution that Samsung could come up with is, at least for now, for the rest of the year, anyone who buys it, until the S22 comes out, give a $20 to $25 credit when you buy the phone. So no matter how much you buy it, when now the holidays, whenever, you get a $25 credit minimum. Right now you can get $100 to $250 credit, so it's a really good time to pre-order. But as long as you always leave a $25 credit, then hey, a person can get a free charger, and then it's just like if they had chosen to buy it with the charger. So that's the easy solution that you can do for it, and I recommend doing that going forward. If a person wants a charger, it's an option, but then maybe they put that $25 towards a case or towards a wireless charger because they do already have a regular charger or whatever else they want. But at least that way you're thinking of the environment and not hurting the customer at the same time, because that's what's really happening here. Customers that don't have a charger, that don't have a fast charger, if they're coming from the S9, they don't have that 25 watt fast charger, so this would really benefit them. The last one is MST, and granted, a lot of people don't know this technology by its name, but it really is important. It's the benefit of having Samsung Pay, and it's the reason why Samsung Pay has always been better than Google Pay and Apple Pay any day of the week. Besides NFC terminals, you can basically use a Samsung Pay smartphone at any credit card machine. Now, I have to admit, I don't know why you took this away unless it's a cost-saving measure. But here's the thing. If it is a cost-saving measure, fine, I guess, but it's really something that you could at least put with the Note series and the Fold series. Don't take it away from those, because those are more expensive phones and we're paying for that technology. So at least put it in the enthusiast phones, or even keep it on the Ultra as well. You have to realize that with your customers, we really want the best of the best. So for the diehards, we will go to the more expensive ones. We'll go to the Fold, we'll go to the Note, and we'll go to the Ultra. So if you put it in those, then that's something that should be standard. At least make sure you do that. If it's a patent thing or something else from the Loop Pay purchase that has expired, then let that be known as well. There's all these things that, again, if you don't explain it, why it's happened, if you just try to, oh, maybe they won't notice, trust me, people are going to notice. And the SD card is going to be the biggest one that everyone realizes when they get to the store. I myself was at plenty of launch stores when the S6 came out, and I visited them. I saw kind of the buzz around it, just to see the hype around it, from Best Buys, AT&Ts, the T-Mobiles, and I was just really curious to see how that launch would go. And I remember hearing it from every corner of when my friends were ringing it up that, wait, what do you mean there's no SD card? What do you mean I can't put in the SD card? That is something that the backlash is going to be real in 2 weeks' time. So let me know what everyone watching this video thinks, and if, again, what solutions would you make, again, for Samsung to do right now to correct any of these issues that you have with them. Will you be buying an S21, or are you not buying it for one of these 3 reasons? And will you be waiting on the Note? Should the Note correct these? And should the S22 correct these? Let me know in the comment section down below. And trust me, as a social media manager, as a PR manager, as a district manager, I have really always worked to get things fixed and repaired between relationships. And this is one that I would definitely want to see fixed. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.